హై డియర్ టీఎస్ లాస్టెట్ ఆస్పిరెంట్స్, డైలీ టాప్ 50 ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్ భాగంలో ఈరోజు టాప్ 50 మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ బిట్స్ తీసుకురావడం జరిగింది. డైలీ కంపల్సరీ ఫాలో కావండి. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఎంసీక్యూస్ని తీసుకురావడం జరుగుతుంది. ఈ ఛానల్ లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ చూసుకోగా, రైట్ టు బి ఫర్గాటెన్ ఈజ్ ఇంప్లిసిట్ అండర్ విచ్ ఇంప్లాయిడ్ ఫండమెంటల్ రైట్ ఆఫ్ ద కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా? ఆప్షన్ ఏ రైట్ టు ఈక్వాలిటీ, ఆప్షన్ బి రైట్ టు అగెనిస్ట్ ఎక్స్‌ప్లాయిటేషన్, ఆప్షన్ సి రైట్ టు ఫ్రీడమ్స్, ఆప్షన్ డి రైట్ టు ప్రైవసీ. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఆప్షన్ డి రైట్ టు ప్రైవసీ. Next question, when the consent of a party to a contract obtained by undue influence, fraud or misrepresentation, the contract becomes option A illegal, option B voidable, option C void, option D enforceable. Answer is option B voidable. Next question, what do you mean by an ex parte order? Option A, order given against a party in his absence. Option B, order given in the presence of both the parties. Option C, order given for contempt of court. Option D, order obtained by mutual consent. Answer option B, order given in the presence of both the parties. Next question, who is a testator? Option A, the person writing a will, the person going abroad, the person testifying as a witness. Option D, the person appearing in a test. Correct answer is option the person writing a will. Next question, mercy killing is also referred to as option A palliative care, option B euthanasia, option C euthanasia, option D hospice care. Correct answer is option B euthanasia. Euthanasia is used for mercy killing. Next question, who is the 50th Chief Justice of India? Option A Justice S.A. Bobde, option B Justice U.U. Lalit, option C Justice Chandrachud, option D Justice N.V. Ramana. Present Chief Justice is option C Justice Chandrachud. Next question, abolition of titles in India is a part of which fundamental right? Option A right to freedom, option B right to against exploitation, option C right to freedom of religion, option D right to equality. Answer is option D right to equality. Next question, which article of the Indian Constitution gives freedom to form a trade union? Option A article 19(1)(b), option B article 19(1)(c), option C article 19(1)(d), option D article 19(1)(e). Correct answer is option B article 19(1)(c). Next question, who among the following is called as the father of the Indian Evidence Act? Option A James Clerk Maxwell, option B William Blackstone, option C Sir James Stephen, option D Sir John Holker. Correct answer is option C Sir James Stephen. Next question, which of the following writs may be filed against a private person? Option A mandamus, option B certiorari, option C quo warranto, option D habeas corpus. Our answer is option D habeas corpus is the writ filed by against a private person. In the Constitution, which articles directs the state to introduce a uniform civil code? Option A article 37, option B article 41, option C article 44, option D article 47. Correct answer is option C article 44. Next question, which of the following can be owned by a single person? Option A private company, option B public company, option C giant Hindu family, option D sole proprietorship concern. The single person run by the business is option D sole proprietorship concern. Next question, if a married woman dies within 7 years of marriage under unnatural circumstances, her death presumed to be option A murder, option B culpable homicide not amounting to murder, option C dowry death, option D cruelty and harassment made by husband and relative. Correct answer is option C dowry death. Next question, under Hindu law marriage is considered as option A grand ceremony, option B sacrament, option C contract, option D live in relationship. The correct answer is option B sacrament. Under Hindu marriage is considered as sacrament. Next question, What is the term of a Rajya Sabha member? Option A 5 years, option B 6 years, option C 4 years, option D 7 years. The Rajya Sabha term duration period is option B 6 years. Up to 6 years Rajya Sabha member can be elected. Next question. A matter under consideration in the court is called option A status quo, option B res judicata, option C sub judice, option D injunction. If any matter is pending before the court, it is called as sub judice. Option C sub judice is the right answer. Next question. What does lien mean? Option A possession of illegal property, option B temporary possession of property, option C illegal possession of another's property until debt is repaid, option D possession of inherited property. Option C is the right answer. Next question. For the enforcement of fundamental rights, the Supreme Court may issue a option A decree, option B ordinance, option C notification, option D writ. Correct answer is option D writ. Next question. Judicial review is a part of option A basic structure of the Indian Constitution, option B fundamental right, option C fundamental duty, option D directive principles of state policy. The correct answer is option A basic structure of Indian Constitution. Next question. Uniform civil code means option A code related to individual public's life, option B a codified law applicable to all persons of India irrespective of their religion, option C a code meant for Hindus only, option D a local law. Correct answer is option B. Secular means option A full authority to government to legislate on its people, option B no king or queen, president is head of state, option C treating all religions equally, option D people's government, option C is treating all religions equally is correct answer. Next question. Human Rights Day is observed on option A 26th November, option B 25th November, option C 10th December, option D 1st May. The correct answer is 10th December. This question is asked many times in the TS LAWCET examinations. Next question. Which one of the following statement is incorrect? All agreements are not contracts. All contracts are agreements. Option C. Agreements are enforceable by law is a contract. Option D. All agreements are contracts. Correct answer is option D. All agreements are contracts. Next question. The Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act was made in the year option A 2008, option B 2010, option C 2005, option D 2000. The correct answer is option C 2005. Next question. Finance Commission is constituted under the article of the Indian Constitution. Under which article the Finance Commission was constituted? The question is, the options are A article 270, article B 280, article 290, article 300. The correct answer is article 280. Next question. Which one of the following was described as heart and soul of the Constitution of India by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? Options A right to life and liberty, option B right to freedom of religion, option C right to constitutional remedies, right to freedom of movement. Correct answer is option C right to constitutional remedies. The next question is, the phenomenon of impeachment is used to impeach A Prime Minister, B President, C Chief Minister, D Speaker. The correct answer is President. President having the impeachment powers. The next question is, the main function of judiciary is A punishing the culprits, B creating safety in the society, C punishing the corrupt politicians, option D supervising and controlling legislature and executive. The correct answer is option B creating safety in the society. Which section the offense of sedition, which has been the subject matter of recent debate regarding its constitutionality? Option A 153, option B 153B, option C 124B, option D 124A. The correct answer is option D 124A. Next question, which of the following provisions of IPC relating to unnatural sexual offences was struck down by the Supreme Court as unconstitutional? Option A, section 374, option B, section 375, option C, section 376, option D, section 377. The correct answer is option D, section 377. Next question, which of the following is not a source of law? Option A, legislation, option B, judicial precedent, option C, custom, option D, public opinion. The correct answer is option D, public opinion is not a source of law to make an act or statute. The next question, which of the following amendment to the Constitution of India is known as mini constitution? Option A, 44th Amendment, option B, 42nd Amendment, option C, 39th Amendment, option D, 25th Amendment. The correct answer is option B, 42nd Amendment. Which constitutional amendment reduced the voting age from 21 years to 18 years? Option A, 61st Amendment, option B, 51st Amendment, option C, 71st Amendment, option D, 41st Amendment. The correct answer is answer 61st Amendment. Option A is the right answer. Next question, the expression of sovereignty, unity and integrity of India in the Indian Constitution occurs in option A, fundamental duties, option B, preamble, option C, fundamental rights, option D, directive principles of state policy. The correct answer is option A, fundamental duties. Next question, what is the minimum age of a child which absolves him from all kinds of criminal liability? Option A, below 18 years, option B, below 16 years, option C, below 7 years, option D, below 12 years. Option C, below 7 years is the correct answer. Next question, who administers oath to a judge of the Supreme Court of India? Option A, Chief Justice of India, option B, President, option C, Speaker, option D, Prime Minister. The correct answer is Chief Justice of India will administer the oath of the Judge of the Supreme Court of India. Next question, the person who found guilty of committing a crime and sentenced is known as option A, accomplice, option B, convict, option C, prisoner, option D, accused. The correct answer is option B, convict. This question is asked many times in the previous LAWCET exam entrances. Next question, a scientific study of the nature, extent, causes and control of criminal behavior is called as option A, criminology, option B, victimology, option C, penology, option D, psychology. The correct answer is option A, criminology. Next question is, which of the following schedules to the Constitution of deals with the administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes? Option A, Schedule 2, option B, Schedule 5, option C, Schedule 3, option D, Schedule 4. The correct answer is option B, Schedule 5. Next question, application for temporary injunction is filed under option A, Civil Procedure Code, option B, Sale of Goods Act, option C, Transfer of Property Act, option D, Constitution of India. The correct answer is option A, Civil Procedure Code. The next question is, which doctrine was established under the Keshavananda Bharati case? Option A, doctrine of favor, option B, doctrine of prospective overruling, option C, doctrine of eclipse, option D, doctrine of basic futures. The correct answer is option D, doctrine of basic futures. Next question is, how many years of experience must a High Court judge need to become a Supreme Court judge? Option A, 5 years, option B, 10 years, option C, 7 years, option D, 4 years. The correct answer is option A, 5 years is required to become a Supreme Court judge. The next question is, principle that no person shall be prosecuted for the same offence twice is referred as option A, protection against double jeopardy, option B, protection against self-incrimination, option C, protection against ex post facto loss, option D, doctrine of severability. The correct answer is protection against double jeopardy. Option A is the correct answer. Next question, in the offence of kidnapping, the consent of minor is A, partly material, B, wholly material, C, partly immaterial, D, wholly immaterial. The correct answer is wholly immaterial. Option D is the correct answer. In the case of consent of minor, the wholly immaterial is the offense in kidnapping. The next question is, which judicial forum has the power to decide an election relating to parliament and state legislatures? Option A, magistrate court. Option B, Supreme Court. Option C, district court. Option D, high court. The correct answer is option D, high court. Next question, precedents are option A, laws made by legislature. Option B, laws made by executive. Option C, principles or rules declared by court. Option D, principle or rule made by conventions. The correct answer is principles or rule declared by court. Next, the offense of rape has been categorized under Indian Penal Code 1860 as a crime against option A, property. Option B, human body. Option C, public peace and tranquility. Option D, marriage. The correct answer is option B, human body. Next question, the most important instrument of social control in the modern race. Option A, custom. Option B, caste. Option C, statute. Option D, religion. The correct answer is the statute. It is an instrument of social control in the modern days. The next question is, examination of a witness by opposite party is known by a term. Option A, chief examination. Option B, expert examination. Option C, cross examination. Option D, the witness examination. The correct answer is option C, cross examination. The next question is, in which case Supreme Court issued guidelines against misuse of President's rule? Option A, Indira Gandhi versus Raj Narayan. Option B, S.R. Bommai versus Union of India. Option C, Indira Sahani versus Union of India. Option D, in regards privileges of state legislature. Correct answer is S.R. Bommai versus Union of India.